So, you have a small problem. Your lawnmower has a flat tire. Damn it. Well, you got two choices. You can get you a new tire, or you could stack as much stuff as you can on the seat to weigh it down, and then send it off over to your homie on the other side of the lawn and just kind of pass it back and forth. That's also an option. Option number 2. All right, I think we're ready to send it off. Let that go right there. And let's send her off. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Well, here's option number 2. There's always 2 options. So that was a little wobbly and it fell apart. So we're gonna try a different method. We're going with the strap down. Moment of truth. Huh. All right. Let's see if she starts up. You got the brake?
Brake's on.
Okay, one more time. We got this. You ready? Push it in. It's all about teamwork. Make the dream work right here. Oh, hold on. Woo! We popping, boys. Ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Press. Okay.
It ain't working.
Son of a bitch, it ain't working.
Goddamn son of a bitch. It ain't working.
Woo! Popping. We popping, boy! Woo! Alright, hold on now. Alright, y'all, I think we got it down on this one. Look at that bad boy, she's strapped in. And she ain't going nowhere. Alright, let's send her down. Hold on. First, gotta pull the pin. Then I gotta hit the mower. Let's send her down. There down fast. There she goes. Where's she going? No way. Is he riding that thing? No way. Surf rolling.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the most dangerous way to mow your lawn.
Maybe I should have just bought a new tire.